guys, welcome back to my channel and to my Sunday morning. It is what I eat in a day today, and I'm in my workout gear, and that is because I have just got back from my morning run. As you've seen this morning, I got up and I had toast with jam and it was delicious, and I wanted that because I knew I was going out for a run and I wanted to give myself extra energy, so I'll insert that now. Literally just got in, so I'm starving. I'm one of those people where I get back from a run and I'm absolutely ravenous, so it's a bit early for lunch. So what I might do is go and have a shower, freshen up because I'm a bit of a sweaty mess at the moment, get back and we'll have lunch. I made the most perfect pumpkin soup ever yesterday. You may have seen it in a vlog if that vlog's gone live. If not, it's coming very soon, but I will post my recipe in the description box down below, which I completely made up and it worked out so well. And then for dinner tonight, I think we have sausages that we've taken out, so it'll be a really lovely comforting autumnal day of food actually, which I really enjoy. So give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get on with the day. Before I go for a shower, just to give myself a bit of extra energy after my run, I'm going to have a banana. So yeah, I'm going to link these leggings in the description box down below, as well as my sports bra. I was wearing a top, but this doubles up as a sports top and sports bra, so it's ideal for when you get in and you're sweaty and you're hot, but you want to eat. It's nice and sculpting, so I'll link both down below. So last night, or yesterday, as I mentioned, I whipped up some pumpkin soup. This is honestly, I'm not even exaggerating, the best soup both I've ever made and I've ever tried. So I'm going to pop that in the microwave for a couple of moments. And alongside it, I'm going to cut myself some bread. This is just the end of a tiger tail that needs eating. I'm just going to have the whole thing. And I have some, pepper, and a little bit of double cream that I'm literally just going to sprinkle on the top as a garnish. Feel free to skip on that, but you know, I like it on there. Because there's not much bread, I'm going to have some of these crisps as well. They're the M&S handmade manchego, cheese and chili. I'm just going to have whatever I fancy of those, but feel free to get your app out and weigh them out. So yeah, I'm just waiting for that soup to warm up, which should be seconds. There we go. And honestly, it's just such a lovely soup. Do not throw away any of your pumpkin insides when you're hollowing them out, because honestly, this soup is just the most delicious and flavourful soup, and it's so creamy. It's not like butternut squash at all. It's just such a rich and comforting flavour. I was really surprised actually by how much I loved this. I wasn't expecting to love it as much as I did. I thought I would prefer a butternut squash or red pepper soup, but actually this knocks the socks off any soup I've tried, including like a chicken soup. So I've warmed it up and it's a fiery orange colour. It's beautiful. And on the top, I'm just going to get double cream. Feel free again to skip on this. I think it just adds a nice bit of decoration and also a nice texture to the top. I literally just swirl it on like so. Like, there's nothing too fancy, but just a light dash of that. I wouldn't even say it's quarter of a teaspoon, guys. Like, it's literally nothing. So I'm having my afternoon coffee. That soup was delicious. I know I mentioned it before, but honestly, it's so nice. So I'm having a latte now, and I'm actually having my last caramel latte from Starbucks. These are 4 points each, and they're 3 points for the original, which makes them a bit more point friendly than the Nescafe. And I am gonna have some sticky toffee pudding tonight with ice cream that I made myself. I even made the ice cream myself. It's quite impressive. But I do want something quite sweet, and I am still feeling a little bit kind of like I need something. I feel like the running, honestly, it just makes me ravenous. So I'm gonna have a tiny bit of this Tony's chocolate in the ginger. Now I'm not gonna have much, I just like something to dip in my coffee, because normally I'm so used to having something that I don't like to have nothing. I'm not gonna track this personally, but I'm literally gonna have a cube, and you might think that's, you know, so silly, so irrelevant, but it's just because I'm actually having sticky toffee pudding tonight with a salted caramel brandy ice cream that I made up myself. So I'm not gonna go without, but I'm just gonna go and enjoy this now, and I'm sure it'll be delicious because I haven't had this in about a week. I've been eating the caramel one, but I remember this being really spicy and really delicious. It's gonna go perfectly with the caramel of this latte. That time to make dinner. So I've chopped, or I've peeled some potatoes that I'm just about to chop. I'm just getting some water in this nice big pan so I can do them all in the same water. And like I mentioned before, I'm gonna be doing sausage and mash with peas and gravy, and it's going to be really delicious. It's ideal for an autumn evening, ideal comfort food, doesn't take too long to make. So I have some potatoes chopped here, and as mentioned, I'm also going to be cooking them with onion. I'm going to caramelise this down, add a lot of flavour, and the sausages that I'm using are these from Aldi. Now these are the reduced fat. You know, I'm not being too precious about eating low fat or fat free at the moment, but we do enjoy these. We kind of think, you know, we may as well go for them. We all enjoy them, and I'm sure they're much better for you than the original. So I'll be cooking those in a moment. I don't need to concentrate on those too much for now, but first thing I'm going to do is get my potatoes chopped and on the boil, and then we can do the sausage. Guys, we've come to the end of another What I Eat in a Day. Those sausages were 3 points each. I actually only managed 2 of the 3. I feel like my eyes are bigger than my belly, and I thought I would try it, but actually 2 was more than enough for me. I had 6 points worth of mash. I had 8 points on my plate, but I only finished 6 points worth or thereabouts. My peas were free, and I don't track gravy, but feel free to be more accurate on that. And I'm gonna end the night with some of my homemade sticky toffee pudding, which, I'm not gonna lie to you, is probably off the scale when it comes to WW points because it's full of sugar, and I'm also going to be having it with some brandy salted caramel ice cream, which I'm sure is also off the scales when it comes to points. But you can find cake and snacks and that kind of thing for any kind of dessert in most stores, and of course you could buy calorie conscious ice cream as well. So I'll show you it put out, but I'm going to end it here. Thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to see more of these every other day from you. I have so many exciting recipes coming your way. I've been working on some very, very special dishes I'm excited to share, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.